You're likely throwing away money and time simply because you refuse to admit you've already lost them. Today, we're unpacking the sunk cost fallacy, the psychological trap that forces you to double down on bad decisions, and how you can finally break the cycle. The sunk cost fallacy occurs when we continue an endeavor solely because we've already invested resources into it, even when the current costs outweigh the future benefits. Imagine you bought an expensive ticket to a concert, but you wake up on the day of the show feeling miserable with the flu. Logically, you should stay home to recover, but you go because you paid for the ticket. You've already lost the money. By going, you lose your health. 2. We prioritize the past investment over our future well-being, trapped by a fear of wasting what's already gone. This isn't just about tickets, it shapes multi-billion-dollar business failures and failing marriages. Governments often continue funding doomed infrastructure projects simply because they've already spent millions, fearing that stopping would make the initial investment look a total waste. It's a paradox. We keep feeding the monster to prove it wasn't a mistake to start feeding it in the first place. But what if I told you that our brains are wired to perceive this pain as a physical sensation? Neuroscientists have found that the discomfort caused by losing an investment activates the same regions in the brain as physical pain. This is why walking away feels a personal defeat rather than a rational choice. Interestingly, studies show that even pigeons and rats fall for this trap, suggesting it's an ancient, evolutionary glitch in how we process value. Later, we'll look at why high performers are more prone to this error than anyone else. The key to breaking free is realizing that the money, time, and effort you've spent are non-refundable. Stop looking backward at what you've lost and start evaluating every decision based solely on its future value. If you wouldn't start the project today from scratch, you shouldn't continue it tomorrow. Remember, the only thing worse than a bad investment is wasting more time trying to save it. If you found this perspective shift helpful, hit the button and subscribe for more insights on mastering your decision making.